Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In the last video we saw the basic operations for the S3 management, and as you remember there is a default region which is US East 1 where all the buckets are created. But what happens if you want to create a bucket in a different region? For doing that we need to do this. First I'm going to list the buckets that I currently have, and I'm going to create a new bucket in a specific region other than the default. For that I'm going to use the S3 API and the action create bucket. Then I'm going to specify the bucket name, DevOps App 6, and the region. Now I want this one, but if I do this it will fail because it is not the default region, as you can see. So how to solve this error? We need to specify this option, create bucket configuration location constraint equals and the region we want. And if I add this option to the bucket creation command, it should succeed. Okay, as you can see, it was created in the desired region, which is not the default one. And to confirm that, we can go here to the console, and as you can see, the new bucket is now in Ireland instead of North Virginia. And this is how you can solve this error, and also this is how you can specify the region where you want to create your bucket. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.